find National Electrical Code (NEC) classes, there are several avenues to explore. Firstly, consider colleges and universities in your area. Los Angeles Pierce College has an electrical technology department. You can call them at 818-710-4200 for information on upcoming code classes. Pasadena City College is another option. Check their website for construction technology courses, as these may include the NEC. Cypress College offers an electrical code interpretation course, often taught by a retired electrical inspector. Secondly, investigate trade associations. The National Electrical Contractors Association (NEC) chapters frequently offer code classes. Visit their website to find local chapter information and their training schedules. The International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers (IBU) locals may also have training programs that include code education. Contact your local IBU chapter for details. Thirdly, consider online courses. NFBA Learning offers online courses on the NEC and other electrical codes. This is a convenient way to learn at your own pace. The Electrical Safety Training Institute (ST) provides both online and in-person NEC training. This can be a good option if you prefer a more structured learning environment. Fourthly, look into private companies that specialize in electrical training. Electrician Education Center offers code classes taught by electrical professionals in Los Angeles. The National Inspection Training Association (NETA) provides code training and certification programs beneficial for career advancement. Finally, explore other resources such as the City of Los Angeles Department of Building and Safety, which may offer code seminars or workshops. Check with your local building department for any information on code classes or workshops they might be hosting. To summarize, there are multiple resources available to find NEC classes. These resources include colleges and universities such as Los Angeles Pierce College, Pasadena City College, and Cypress College. Trade associations such as NEC and IBU also provide valuable training opportunities. Online platforms like NFBA Learning and SC offer flexible learning options. Private companies such as Electrician Education Center and NETA provide specialized training. Additionally, local government resources such as the City of Los Angeles Department of Building and Safety and local building departments may offer seminars or workshops. It is important to consider the specific requirements when selecting a course. Factors such as the instructor's qualifications, the course content, the cost, and the scheduling should all be taken into account. The NEC is updated every 3 years. These updates reflect changes in technology, safety standards, and best practices. Staying current with these changes is important for electrical professionals to ensure safety and compliance. Code classes can help electrical professionals stay up to date with the latest changes to the NEC. In addition to code classes, there are other ways to stay current with the NEC. These include reading the NEC handbook, attending industry conferences, and subscribing to electrical trade publications. It is important to develop a comprehensive approach to staying current with the NEC. Understanding some key articles in NEC, such as Article 210.12, which covers arc fault circuit interrupter protection, can be important. Arc fault circuit interrupters of size are designed to protect against electrical fires caused by arc faults. Article 210.12 specifies where a size are required in dwelling units. Article 250 covers grounding and bonding, which are important for electrical safety. Grounding and bonding help to protect against electrical shock and fire hazards. Article 300.4 covers protection against physical damage. This article specifies how to protect electrical wiring and equipment from physical damage. Physical damage can occur from a variety of sources, such as impact, abrasion, and corrosion. Article 310.15 covers ampacity of conductors. Ampacity is the maximum current that a conductor can carry without exceeding its temperature rating. Article 310.15 provides tables and formulas for determining the ampacity of conductors. Article 408 covers switchboards and panel boards. Switchboards and panel boards are used to distribute electrical power to various circuits. Article 408 specifies the requirements for switchboards and panel boards. Article 430 covers motors, motor circuits, and controllers. Motors are used in a variety of applications such as appliances, machinery, and vehicles. Article 430 specifies the requirements for motors, motor circuits, and controllers. Article 440 covers air conditioning and refrigeration equipment. Air conditioning and refrigeration equipment are used to cool and refrigerate buildings and other spaces. Article 440 specifies the requirements for air conditioning and refrigeration equipment. Article 500 covers hazardous locations. Hazardous locations are locations where there is a risk of fire or explosion due to the presence of flammable gases, vapors, or dusts. Article 500 specifies the requirements for electrical equipment and wiring in hazardous locations. Article 517 covers healthcare facilities. Healthcare facilities have unique electrical requirements due to the presence of patients and medical equipment. Article 517 specifies the requirements for electrical systems in healthcare facilities. In addition to these key articles, there are many other important articles in the NEC. It is important to be familiar with the NEC in order to ensure electrical safety and compliance. Understanding the NEC also requires familiarity with key definitions. The NEC contains a number of definitions that are important to understand. These definitions help to ensure that the NEC is applied consistently. Some key definitions include ampacity, which is the maximum current that a conductor can carry continuously under specific conditions of use without exceeding its temperature rating. A branch circuit is the circuit conductors between the final overcurrent device protecting the circuit and the outlet. A conductor is a material, usually metal, that allows electricity to flow easily. A dwelling unit is a single unit providing complete and independent living facilities for one or more persons, including permanent provisions for living, sleeping, cooking, and sanitation. Grounding is a conducting connection, whether intentional or accidental, between an electrical circuit or equipment and the earth, or to some conducting body that serves in place of the earth. A hazardous location is an area where fire or explosion hazards may exist due to flammable gases, vapors, dust, or fibers. Overcurrent is any current in excess of the rated current of equipment or the ampacity of a conductor. A raceway is an enclosed channel designed expressly for holding wires, cables, or bus bars, with additional functions as permitted in the NEC. Understanding these definitions is important for properly interpreting and applying the NEC. Staying up to date with the NEC is crucial for those in the electrical field.